Hello everyone and welcome to my unboxing of the Storz Bickel dry herb vaporizer known as the Venty. I got a second one because the first one I had got a warranty. They sent me a brand new one, so I thought, why not? Let's unbox it again. So if you don't know, I don't smoke flower. I only use these type of devices. So you put the medical marijuana flower into this device. Legally, they say it's like for aromatherapy, but we all know what's going on here. So this is one of the best dry herb portable vaporizers. I like it a lot. It's the sequel, the successor to the Mighty and the Crafty vaporizers, which I used for a long time. I had those in high school a while ago. And this thing is very nice. We're gonna tear the plastic off of this here. And if you didn't know, you take the top mouthpiece off and the oven is under that. So this is where you put the flower in. It's gonna heat it up to an exact temperature. I usually start at 365 degrees Fahrenheit. It's more of a personal thing. You can find online what temperatures do different things. But yeah, it's very personal. Definitely my favorite way to smoke, or I should say vaporize, dry herb or medical marijuana, especially in the state of Florida where I live. So yeah, I like to put it at 365, and this is a great device. Storz Bickel has great customer service. I had the device for about a year, warranted it. They sent a brand new one for free within a week. And yeah, this is the little thing you can clean the oven with, the little brush. You can use it while it's hot, and it keeps it pretty clean. So let me know if you have any questions about the Venty vaporizer. I love this thing, and this has been my unboxing of the Storz Bickel Venty vaporizer.